Hey, good morning, physical science students. Happy Wednesday to you. Just wanted to give you a quick video about the plan for today. We will not be seeing you live today. So today is Wednesday. You do not come into a Zoom meeting today, but there is stuff for you to do. So check this out. So down here on your Schoology page, I'm opening up this week one. Is this week one overview. Always check out that so you know what we're doing. So here's Wednesday. Those are the items that you need to get done today. There's an attendance form. You need to finish any work from Monday. So we did that personal intro slide. You guys talked about it, but we want you to actually create something and upload that. You need to review the course folders, and then there's a link for an About Me, 20 things in 2020. I'll show you each of these things. So I'm going to go back to the home page. Down here in week one, you can click week one, scroll down. Now we're on day two. So day two right here, you're going to take your daily attendance right there. You're going to do your 20 things in 2020 about me. Remember, daily attendance is just a first and last name. You guys are hour 5, and then you put today's date and then submit. Make sure you do that before 2:45 today. And you've got 20 things in 2020. This is a form where it's just us trying to get to know you guys. So make sure you fill that out. There's 20 items. You go back to week one. If you need to finish Monday's work, that's in the first day. So there's your personal introduction right there. And then the last item is reviewing course folders. Review course folders. So that's at the home page. There is a folder for student family help resources. And there's lots of help there. If you're struggling with your Chromebook, parents, you can show parents and guardians this. Students, these are some videos and tips specific to you. There's lots of information. Sort of go through it a little bit. Let us know if you have questions. And then for sure, go through the course information. We have a syllabus, which is what you guys are going to be learning about and how the class will be run. There's an optional online textbook. Well, very likely, I'll show you more how to use this during class sometime, but take a look. And then there is myself and Miss Adlin's contact information. Always remember, ask us questions. We have 2 emails. I have my Google Voice number, so you can call or text that number. Since today we won't officially be meeting each other, if you have questions, you need to ask, so we can help you out. All right? All right. Have fun. The other item that I forgot to mention is we will see all of you back in class on Thursday. So today is Wednesday. We will see you in class Thursday.